In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Mailchimp with WooCommerce step by step so you can connect your store, sync your customers, and start building better email marketing automation the easy way. If you run an online shop and want to turn visitors into repeat buyers, this setup can save you a lot of time and help you grow faster. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into both your Mailchimp account and your WooCommerce account. And if you find this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Mailchimp in your browser and go to the audience settings area. This is where Mailchimp keeps the tools for managing your audience and connecting outside platforms. Once you're in the right section, look for the integrations option and click on it. This will take you to the area where Mailchimp lets you connect with different apps and e-commerce platforms. Now, in the search box, type WooCommerce and press enter. Make sure you spell it correctly so the right integration appears in the results. After that, click on WooCommerce from the list. This opens the specific integration page for WooCommerce inside Mailchimp. On this page, you'll see the option to connect the two platforms, so click on Connect. Mailchimp will now guide you through the setup process and direct you to the WooCommerce plugin installation page. Next, click on Install for free. This starts the process of adding the official Mailchimp for WooCommerce plugin to your store. You'll then be taken to WooCommerce, where you'll need to log in if you are not already signed in. Enter your WooCommerce account details and continue. Once you're logged in, scroll down until you see the download and install option. Click that button to complete the plugin installation. After the plugin is installed, WooCommerce and Mailchimp can begin communicating with each other, which allows customer and order data to sync properly. This connection is what makes it possible to build email campaigns, abandoned cart follow-ups, product recommendations, and more targeted marketing in Mailchimp. If everything is installed correctly, your next step is usually to follow any remaining prompts inside Mailchimp or WooCommerce to finish authorization and confirm the connection. At this point, your integration should be in place, and your store is one step closer to automated email marketing. This is especially useful if you want to segment customers, send promotional emails, and stay connected with shoppers after they leave your website. So to quickly recap, you went to Mailchimp, opened integrations, searched for WooCommerce, selected it, clicked connect, installed the free WooCommerce plugin, logged in, and finished the download and install process. And that's how you integrate Mailchimp with WooCommerce. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more step-by-step guides like this one.